Hi Libra, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Libras. Today's reading, we'll be picking few cards for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, Libras. These are for your daily reading, guys. For your career situation and love energy, we'll be picking cards from another deck. So one card for your career situation, guys, and one card for your relationship, and one card from the Wisdom Oracle Guidance deck. So that is a general guidance what we can follow every day, guys. It may be an answer to some questions that we may have in our heart, guys, about some circumstance. So let's start with the daily reading first, Libras. It's the Astronomer of Spheres, Seven of Suns in Reverse, and Ace of Moons. With these cards in your situation, Libras, for your daily reading, you are in a circumstance, maybe people see you as a very caring, nurturing person who supports everyone, who has that knowledge and who is ready to help them and take care of them, and you are person of great compassion and that helpful nature. And today you may see some situations where you are quite stressed and worried. Some things may trouble you because you don't know what you need to decide, maybe some path. But I also see that you will get that clarity today. You will see that things will begin to fall into place, and you will see what is your path and what is your choice that you need to take up today, guys. And also I see that you may be in a situation today where you are progressing in a positive way in your career. Maybe some new projects or opportunities are opening up, and even in your personal life you may see someone coming willing or interested in proposing to you, getting married to you, or you may be having a child in your family. Maybe you are having a child, or your person, or it may be someone from your family, they are having a child. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. And I also see that you are getting a good news today, guys. It may be from your person or it may be from someone. So definitely you are getting some kind of a positive news today. So let us see what are these cards for your career situation first, guys. It's 10 of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, it may mean that you are getting some unexpected chances, maybe some new path opening up, something which you never thought will come, maybe some opportunities or offers in your career, guys. So that is what I see here for your career. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's 6 of Pentacles. So with this card I see that with this person you have that mutual love, compassion, and you support each other and you depend on each other. This person may come with gifts or presents to propose to you or win your love and attention, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, Libras. Let us see what is the card for your oracle guidance. Yin. This card stands for receptivity, guys. So in our situation today, we have to consciously allow ourselves to stay quiet, stay put in our career or in our relationship, and let others come towards us with those ideas or whatever they want to say. So when we let others move towards us, we will know the truth, what is in their heart, and when we do that, we will be able to see things clearly and reach success in life, guys. So that is the oracle guidance for you all today, Libras. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.